Masaya ka ba na si Sonny Angara ang bagong Secretary of Education? Kilalanin natin siya at ang kanyang paternal ancestry. Juan Edgardo or Sonny Angara is a lawyer who has served as senator since 2013. He started his political career in 2004 at the age of 32 as a representative of Aurora's lone congressional district. Sonny's father is Edgardo or Ed Angara. He was a Filipino lawyer and politician who served 4 terms and a total of 23 years as senator. I remember him as the president of UP when I was a student in Diliman. Sonny's mother, Gloria Manalang, was a teacher and eventually the chair of the Cultural Center of the Philippines. Ed's parents were Juan Angara and Juana Javier. I found a record of their marriage from 1925 in Pasig. The document says they were 25 years old and 24 years old respectively. This is how we estimate that they were born in 1900 and in 1901. He was from Baler and she was from Marikina. Both of them listed their occupation as head nurse. The marriage registry also lists both of their parents. Eventually, Juan served as mayor of Baler from the 1930s to the 1940s and as governor of Aurora in the 1950s. Juan's parents were Candido Angara and Nicolasa Calderon, who were born approximately in the 1880s. Candido's parents and the oldest paternal ancestors I could find were Luis Angara and Luisa Pobre, who were born approximately in the 1860s. Did you notice? Sonny's grandparents were Juan and Juana, and his 2 times great-grandparents were Luis and Luisa. Machi-machi. Lalang aliw. Also, if you think of Baler, syempre, you also think of Manuel and Aurora Quezon. I found that the Angara clan married into the Aragon and Molina families several times, so we could probably find a distant relationship path if I researched more. Pero hindi ko ginawa. Let's just look at his closer relatives who were or are in politics. Marami sila. Andun si Lolo Juan, who was mayor of Baler and governor of Aurora. Andun si Daddy Ed, who served in the Senate. His Tito Arturo Angara was the longest-serving mayor of Baler, covering 18 years. His cousin Karen Angara Ularan served as vice mayor of Baler. His tita Belia Angara Castillo served as governor and representative of Aurora. His other tito Joselito Angara was mayor of Baler. His cousin Romel Angara served as representative and vice mayor of Aurora. His cousin Ret Angara served as mayor of Baler. So yes, they are a political dynasty. My feelings on the appointment of Sonny Angara as Secretary of the Department of Education, I am hopeful. He may not have the experience as an education policy specialist, and I personally do not agree with how he votes on Senate resolutions sometimes, but he has an impressive educational background, and more significantly, his long policy-making experience through legislation and his leadership in the approval of the budget gives him unique insight. Example, in 2023, the DepEd did not include any budget for special education which services learners with disabilities. Basta PWD welfare, binubusisi ko yan. But Senator Angara in the final budget inserted funds for SPED because it was the right thing to do. And that is why I am hopeful. O, diba?
Meow meow.